Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Clash Royale to Google Play so your game progress is saved. Start by opening the Clash Royale app on your device and wait for it to load completely. When you are on the main screen, look at the top right corner and tap the settings icon. This will open the game settings menu. Inside the settings, find the option for Google Play Sign In. Tap on it to begin linking your account. A Google Play window will appear and ask you to choose a Google account. Select the Google account you normally use for Google Play games. Make sure it is the correct one, especially if you have more than one account on your phone. After selecting the account, the game will start connecting. Wait a few seconds and keep the app open. When the process is complete, you will see a message showing that the account is connected. Your Clash Royale progress is now linked to Google Play. Thanks for watching.